Standard 2. Today we're going to be learning plural possessive form. Okay, so plural means more than one. So it's telling us about more than one person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Okay, so plural nouns. For example, the first one we have here is the children toys. The children toys. Whose toys? Who does it belong to? The children. So the noun here that we need to change to the possessive form is the word children. And children is plural. The singular or the singular form of the word children is the word child. So if it had child, then it would be talking about one, but it has children, so it's talking about more than one child. So to change this to the possessive form, we will go ahead and add our apostrophe S. So it becomes the children's toys. So we know that the toys belongs to more than one child. It belongs to a group of children. Okay, so the children's toys. Okay, so let's move on to example number 2. We have the girl's house. The girl's house. Who does the house belong to? It belongs to the girls. So the noun here, the plural noun here is girls, and you can see there's already an S here because they're not talking about a single girl. They're talking about more than one. The plural form. They're talking about girls. So the girl's house. Now, what do we do if there's already an S there for the plural form? Now, this is where it's different from the singular possessive form. The plural possessive form, when it's plural, more than one, you will just add the apostrophe. Okay, you will just add the apostrophe. You will not add S. So this helps us to know the girl's house. The girl's house. So we will not say girls is with the ES. We'll just read it as is, as the way it is. The girl's house. And once we see the apostrophe on top of that, we know that it was a plural noun and it's showing possession that it belongs to the girls. Okay? So let's take a look at this example, the boys' ball. The boys' ball. So who does the ball belong to? The ball belongs to the boys. So again, boys are plural. That means more than one boys there because it already has the S. That means that one ball belongs to different boys. Okay, so maybe all of them, maybe it's a group of family, 3 brothers, and they all own the ball. They could all use it. It belongs to them. So the ball, even though it's one, it belongs to more than one person. It belongs to the boys. So again, to turn this to the plural possessive form, we're going to go ahead and just add the apostrophe behind the S to make it the singular possessive, to make it the plural possessive form. Okay, so we're working on plural possessive form here today. So to make it the plural possessive, to show ownership that it belongs to the boys, we just add the apostrophe. We do not need to add the S. Once the noun is plural and ends with an S, just add the apostrophe. If the noun is plural and it does not end with S, for example, the N, then you go ahead and add the apostrophe S.